The benefits of being trained properly on the YCS system are really twofold. A better quality finished product and saved labor time, which then translates to more profit and the ability to grow your business. Part of the training is to educate contractors on what makes YCS different from a product standpoint, also how those products allow them to do unique things in their business.
I started using the product with your Crawlspace about 2 years ago. Had some great results. It cuts down the installation time and less trips, better for the bottom line, better for our bodies.
The classroom setting, the training environment is very casual and relaxed. We understand that everyone's going to be at a different point. They're going to have different backgrounds from different industries. We're going to go through some basics of the Crawlspace business, basic Crawlspace science, and then get into a little more detail, answer some frequently asked questions, and then some in-depth conversation in regards to the YCS system specifically. There aren't many opportunities for creative collaboration. Our contractors are constantly looking for opportunities to educate themselves, not only by talking to a vendor or manufacturer, but talking to another contractor, someone that's in the field day in and day out doing the same thing that they're doing.
From installation to pricing to product knowledge, look forward to seeing YCS again.
This is a great business to be in. It's a great industry to be in. It's a growing business, and there is a huge need for more contractors out there doing quality Crawlspace work.